Sequoia built by GL Homes in RiverCreek. The Sequoia is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath with a loft, 2 living rooms, a screened and covered patio, and a second story. That second story is going to be built with concrete block construction. The base price of this home is $785,900. On top of that, you will have to factor in things like your lot premium as well as any upgrades. The builder is offering incentives for spec homes and quick closings. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.